Hello everybody, welcome to a new video.
Hello. We are outside again. A lot of noise, we are in the tuk-tuk. We're going to the shopping mall, Central World.
Yes.
We negotiated about the price and now he brings us for 200 baht. Time to eat.
No sé qué es eso. No sé qué es esto. No.
Chicken and the shrimp.
I think I never can
I'm not going to eat. That's
try
it.
this, of course not.
Okay. Hello.
I
This one is
know.
Yeah.
This is like the movie pictures. Bueno, we're going to try. This is gyozas and no.
Gyozas, dumplings.
Dumpling. And chicken.
I need a knife. I'm going to get a knife, okay?
I don't know what is this and this. Gyoza.
Proost. Not bad.
Dior.
Oh, your face is accessories.
Ajá. Shifora. After 2 hours of hard work, Bueno.
Bueno. Yeah, we're just walking around because the shopping malls are closed and we want to eat something and drink, but if the restaurants are closed we go to the 7-Eleven. What is this?
Big Papa Noel. I love this.
See the butterflies.
Yeah, big. I don't know what is this about cheap, right?
You chew on this?
In my country, the name of this is caña de azúcar, and it's really sweet and it's really nice too, like candy, pork candy.
But they make also sugar out of this, eh?
Yes, really sweet because, o sea, from this is the real sugar.
Yeah, they make sugar from this.
Yes,
They make the juice, they put the sugar cane in here, and then they catch the juice what's inside, which is really sweet.
For me, this is the, o sea, in the normal form is really sweet, but I think in juice
Yeah.
more sweet maybe.
You want to try or no?
And I never see the
No.
avocado.
Never.
¿Cómo es? Juice from avocado.
But this is sweet avocado, we say.
Sweet. Ah yes, the avocado can be sweet.
I never heard about that.
Yes.
Never.
I don't know. Ah, mira, also the
Passion fruit,
passion.
citrus, lemon. Yes.
Granada.
The frogs. Oh, you were scared of frogs?
I know.
Look at that, yes.
But it's,
Oh.
I know. I think we
See how big
we
compared-
saw this the last night.
Yeah, now they catch him. If I have to eat something, this would not be a problem for me. But this would be a problem for me or that. Oh, never in my life.
No. We just buy. Oh my god.
Oh.
Bichos.
Insects.
And he going to try everything.
We're going to sit here and try.
Oh my god.
Ah. Doe maar. Ja, hier is hij. Springkaartje. Nou zal ik ook even pakken. I take the small and you the big one.
No, I want
Okay,
also the small.
You can take this one, I eat the big one, I don't care. Oké, daar gaan we. Okay, there we go. I go first or what do you want?
No, in the same time both.
Not bad. These are chips. Really not bad.
Maybe the big is not.
Oh, it's not juicy from the inside. The intestines were still.
Maybe.
Okay, what now? The room. Ah!
This is like, do you see the movie Bichos?
Je just ga weg met dat ding. Gek. No. This is also.
Okay.
No. Oh, wait.
Now we're going to. Also, this is disgusting.
Wait.
Disgusting, but okay.
Oh, if I get sick.
I know!
Not.
You can. I know!
Not eat that anymore.
You can see the feet, yes.
And the head. Hello. Look. 1, 2. Oh, this one is not so nice. Hier later erbij. This is one. Hey, this one. Wait, don't do it with your finger, baby. I already eat this.
I don't know.
Oh no, this. Oh no, I don't want anymore. I'm done. I'm going to drink now. I'm done. The big one, it was juicy inside.
You don't know. You don't know that.
You take it in your finger, you are crazy.
No, we didn't eat this. This we didn't eat.
No, I don't want to keep it that way. I want to keep it that way, baby.
Oh. And
Not bad, not bad.
close your eyes. Close your.
Ga weg met dat gewater.
Oh yes. Okay, this is our last word before to die. So we're going to eat the last food now. After to disgust and
Yeah, we eat small
Bichos.
insects, not so much. You go back to the hotel.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
We cannot sleep. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I just called to the reception and they say the breakfast starts at 6. So we decide to go to the breakfast now and then go to sleep. Otherwise we have to wake up in 2 or 3 hours. And then it's hard to fall asleep again later. So we go to eat now, then we come back to bed and then we go to sleep. So first we go to the breakfast.
So we are with jet lag. It's 6, almost 20, and we are with the breakfast. We can see also the sunrise. My food. His food.
We're going to show the breakfast after we eat. And then we will come out and show you everything. Nice breakfast.
Yes. A lot of food. Nice. Bye, thank you. And oof, the sunrise. Now we are in close to the hotel when we and this is the boat, like a taxi, and you can take this boat and go to the centrum, I think. This is more cheaper than the tuk-tuk or taxi, and also I think it's more faster. We would have to take this boat, but I need to do my nails now. My nails of my foot. So we're going to take the next boat. Like Chalana, I think.
Really fast, hè?
Yeah.
This is a different one than last time I think. Last
Yeah.
time they were much faster.
And this water like dirty, but
A lot of fish.
yes, there are a lot of fishes. So I cannot believe that, because how the fishes can believe there.
Very nice.
And we have a problem, a big problem, because the laptop don't working.
That's why we didn't upload the video on Wednesday. And
Yes.
Friday probably also not.
Yes.
You cannot work because the fans don't work, so the laptop cannot cool down.
Yes. We have a big problem now.
I have to buy a new laptop today, or I have to let the fans replace today, because yeah, otherwise you have a problem. I need to upload every day on my own Dutch YouTube channel. And of course this channel 3 times a week.
So. Oh yeah.
We are in the boat. Oh, you can pay.
Okay.
Central World, we stop. So, okay, you have no idea how much or what, how much you get back? 16, so it's 24. Yeah, it's 12 baht.
12 baht per person.
Yeah. That is 33 cents.
Ah yes.
Oh yeah. 33 cents. Not much. So now we are on our way to Central World. Hope we can get my laptop fixed, and otherwise I already see a nice laptop I want. And then we both have one laptop.
Yeah. we are here and now we're going to see if we can fix this. Okay, we have a place that they can fix the laptop, so we will see.
But it,
Iced tea and
coconut water.
coconut.
I have
Now,
a new phone.
and are you happy?
Yeah. With SIM card and 2 months unlimited data, so we can just go together on that SIM card. We do with hotspot
Yes, because I always need internet.
and full speed, so that's good. Not the 10 MB. The other one was 10 MB. That's really slow.
Yes.
So.
And the computer is fixing in this moment. They are fixing in this moment, so we
Yes.
have to wait 1 hour more maybe?
Yeah, I think 1 hour max, and then we can go back. So we don't have to spend €2,000 on the laptop. That's
Yes.
good.
Fortunately.
Yes. Unboxing.
Unboxing.
You have to free case.
Okay, nice.
To free adapter charge. You fast charge.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
You have to cable charge.
Okay.
Okay, you can check.
You can check.
There is no protector on the glass. Oh yeah, there is. Oh, yeah,
Hydrogel.
I see. Right?
Yes, hydrogel protector.
Nice. Okay, good. Looks good. 1 week and it looks not so good anymore.
It's yours.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, it's time to end the video again. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you in a new video.
Bye.
Bye.